Today we're going to learn about all the storage locations in your 718, and there are quite a few. I'm going to start here as the driver. What do I have access to here? So over here in the door, you've got an open compartment next to your speaker here. Right behind that is a compartment that's a little bit smaller, but it's openable on the side, so you just pull towards you to open that compartment. Moving forward to the middle of the car, we have our center console, and in this particular vehicle, we've optioned for the smartphone compartment to boost a little bit of the signal. You can also connect to Apple CarPlay and other things through the USB-A connection in there. Over here in the footwell, we also have a luggage net. You can move upwards here to our glove box. You can open that, quite a bit of storage. In addition to that, it's also another USB-A connection in the glove box. Our cup holders are located here in the dash. If you'll push the little symbol here, and now you have the opportunity for 2 different cups. And then be sure to close this back so it kind of locks those drink holders in that particular location. In addition to what you have here in the main cabin, you also have your front trunk or frunk, and then of course your rear trunk as well. And you've got 2 additional storage compartments there with roller doors on both the passenger and driver side of the vehicle. You now can use all the storage locations in your 718.